Welcome back to my channel. Francis Eze here. Today we're going to talk about the top websites where you can get affiliate marketing courses free of charge. What is affiliate marketing in the first place? It's a business model whereby you earn money, which is called commissions, whenever you promote a company's or a business product or services. Alright, very easy and very simple to do. Affiliate marketing, first and foremost, all you just have to do is check out affiliate networks or programs, check out the services and product they offer, and if it appeals to you, then proceed to sign up. But most importantly, there are things you have to check out before you proceed. First and foremost, before you do affiliate marketing, you first have to check out the product they offer, then check out the commission they give, how many percentage do they give you, and all that. But the most important thing to check out is the payment method. You need to be sure that the payment method actually suits you. For those of us that are in Nigeria, most affiliate networks internationally don't accept Nigerian payment system, and once you get that wrong, you are going to have serious problem. So but if you've checked on that and the payment method suits you and it's okay with you, all you now have to do is to sign up on the affiliate network or affiliate program. Wait for your confirmation, because you have to put in your details, and different affiliate networks have different processes of confirmation. So once you wait and you are confirmed, you are going to make a choice on the product or services that you wish to promote, the one that suits you. As when you run a blog or you're a content creator, you have to be niche specific. Check the product that suits your audience, then get a link from this affiliate program. The moment you get a link, start infusing them into your content. For bloggers, you write content, put in these affiliate links. For content creators, for YouTubers, for skit makers and all that, you can put in the link of any product or service that you wish to promote. And these links are meant to track whenever someone makes a purchase through your link or through your content. And whenever someone does that, what happens? The affiliate program or the affiliate network gives you a commission depending on the product that is being bought by the consumer that clicked through your link to get these services, and also the percentage which the affiliate network ascribed for that product or for that service. Then the next one is, what are the benefits of affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is one of the online ventures you can actually start with low level of risk, and it requires low startup capital or close to nothing. Okay, and also it gives you high return on investment, in the sense that you don't have any risk of developing products and all that. So you simply have to market other people's products. Okay, and also it gives you can operate it gives you high level of flexibility, in the sense that you can set up your content, infuse all these affiliate links in them, and simply promote those content and get customers click, or get your audience click on your content, go to your content, click on the link and make purchases, and you make your money on the go. So it's not anywhere difficult to get started. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you 6 courses from 6 different websites. These affiliate marketing courses are top notch, high quality. They contain everything that you need, because most of the time I get messages from people telling me, how can I actually get started not having any money? And also many people give this excuse of, I don't have enough money to pay for an affiliate marketing course and all that. So today I'm going to give you 6, not 1, not 2, not 3, but 6 affiliate marketing courses done by experts. They are 100% free. You're not paying anything. Just hop into this website, get on this course, digest them as much as possible, and start practicing. And also for those of us in Nigeria, I'm going to leave a link to 9 affiliate networks you can actually operate in Nigeria without VPN. You don't have to worry about getting your VPN on or worry about payment problems and all that. So the first website or the first course is Great Learning. Meanwhile, in this video I'm going to put the direct link to these courses in the description below. So click on the description box and you get 6 links to these 6 websites. So the first one is Great Learning. Great Learning has 1 full hour of content on affiliate marketing from A to Z, and it has 4.4 star rating from over 1,000 students. And aside that, a total of 18,000 students had actually gone through this course. That shows that it's high content, high value, and high quality. All right, so this course, you can actually check the course outline, very detailed, and they also offer free certificate. That's very wonderful. But oftentimes when you learn stuff online, or when I learn things online, I don't really care about the certificate because I work for myself and I make money for myself. Though the certificate is just a bonus, so you can actually get that. Then the next one is EMarketing Institute. Okay, this is a PD. This is not a video affiliate marketing course. It's actually in PDF form. It has a total of 164 pages, high value content, high quality content, and actually practicable content. Okay, so, and it's 100% free. You don't have to pay for anything and all that. And to show you that this course is actually high value and many persons have gone through it, it has as high as 4.6 star rating from over 2,500 students. Does that sound good? All right, then the course had actually been taken by over 34,000 students in the past. Like I said earlier, they can actually give you a free certificate, but for me, it's not really that important to me. After all, what I'm about to learn is for my personal benefit. Okay, so you can actually hop on their website, go through their course content, check out the course overview, check out the course materials, and also most importantly, go to their frequently asked questions. You'll get a whole lot of information there as well with regards to that course. All right, so let's hop on to the next one. The next affiliate marketing course is from Course City. Okay, meanwhile, if you've been with me up to this moment, that means you're getting a whole lot of value from this video. And I would indulge you to like this video, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon so that whenever I bring up content like this about making money online and all that, you'll be among the first to be notified. So the next course is from Course City, another high value free affiliate marketing course. Okay, and why I like Course City so much is that it takes you through from the beginner's level to the advanced level, in the sense that Course City has affiliate marketing courses for all levels of affiliate marketers. Okay, beginners, intermediate, and advanced level. In fact, Course City to me is more like a beehive of affiliate marketing courses. Okay, and one other important thing about Course City course is that it has courses on specific affiliate marketing programs and networks. Something special on ClickBank, something special on Warrior Plus, something special on JVZoo, and all that. Okay, so course is another high content, high quality, and high value affiliate marketing course, and most importantly, is free of charge. Okay, so let's hop on to the next one, which is Skillshare. The name of the course is Ultimate Affiliate Marketing Blueprint, step-by-step blueprints, done by an expert in digital marketing and an entrepreneur by the name Joan Galvan. So this course actually has 2 hours of video content, high quality. Okay, then the next point about this course is that it has 25 different levels, which takes you from the beginner level to a whole advanced level. This is actually wonderful. This is actually one of the best courses for affiliate marketing, especially if you want to take up affiliate marketing as a career. This free course actually puts you through from the level of having zero knowledge or zero experience with affiliate marketing up to that international recognized affiliate marketer. Okay, so, and it has wonderful reviews from more than 1,500 students who had actually enrolled in this program, and they're actually doing very, very okay. Meanwhile, check out about this class and also the course outline and the course content. Okay, this is another powerful free affiliate marketing course. So no more excuse of not having enough money to invest in the course and all that. This is free and it will take you to any level that you want in affiliate marketing. Then let's move on to the next course, which is from Udemy. All right, so the next course is from Udemy. This one is actually created by Tyler Stokes. Okay, this is an on-demand affiliate marketing course with over 3,000, with over 4.5 star rating from more than 3,000 students, and also a total of 64,000 persons have actually gone through this affiliate marketing course, and it's high quality. Okay, and this affiliate marketing course also has 2 hours of heavy content, everything you need to know about affiliate marketing. Okay, and also you can check out the course overview, the course content, and also the reviews on this course. So don't sleep on this one. Make sure you hop into Udemy, go on this get on this course and start learning how to make money using affiliate marketing. And also, like I said earlier, I'm going to drop the specific links to these courses in the description box. So don't forget that. Once you are done seeing this video, go to the description box and get to these courses. So the next affiliate marketing course is right here on YouTube. It's Fedi's course. Okay, this is affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners 2022. Okay, and this video is actually 6 long hours. Why I like Fedi's course is he doesn't try to paint it sweet for you. He tells you what you are going to expect in affiliate marketing and gives you step-by-step, well-detailed guide. Okay, this video you may find it difficult to watch at a stretch, but I would advise you to take it bit by bit. If it's possible, download this video, watch it bit by bit, and also go back and repeat watching this video, because he actually broke affiliate marketing into bits for easy digest and ease of understanding. Okay, so this video had actually garnered more than 93k views and also more than 4,500 positive ratings on YouTube. So check this video out and start learning how to make money online and start making that money. And meanwhile, let me put this straight to you. Getting these free courses and watching them is not just all you have to do. You have to put in the work, and also be very, very careful about free content. Free doesn't mean cheap. So get on this course. For the fact that they are free doesn't mean they are low quality or you can't actually make money from them. Make sure you watch this video bit by bit, repeat the videos, and actually practice. The most important thing here is action. If you don't take action, nothing comes into your bank account. You have to practice and take massive action. Affiliate marketing actually is not as easy as it seems, but once you pass that beginner level and start getting traction, you start making money, it start getting sweet for you. So hop into the description box, get to these affiliate marketing courses, get to the links and click and start watching this thing and start digesting and start making your money online. So thank you for being with me up to this moment, and also if you've not liked this video or subscribed, kindly do so and click the bell notification icon so that whenever I drop content like this on how to make money online or every other thing about digital marketing, you'll be among the first to be notified. Okay, thank you.